Going to teach you a new unit 3rd, the human body and our needs. Unit 3rd, the human body and our needs. In this unit, I am going to teach you the chapter 5, our body. Chapter 5, our body. Before coming to our chapter, student, I want to give you some basic knowledge about this chapter, right? My question is that how an organism is formed. How an organism is formed. When many cells combine together, it forms tissue to form organ to form organ system. Right? Cell, tissue, organ system together known as organism. In this way, the organism is formed. Right? The human body contains both external and internal parts, right? The external parts are those parts that we can see and touch, like look at this picture: head, eyes, ear, nose, tongue. These are your external part of your body. Internal part which we cannot touch and see, like your brain, lungs, liver, stomach. Okay? Now, students, I want to ask you some question, right? Please place your hand on your forehead and press it tightly. Does it feel hard or soft? आप अपने हाथ को सर पे रखिए और उसको दबाइए. आपको सॉफ्ट लगेगा या हार्ड? इट इज़ हार्ड. सो द हार्ड पार्ट ऑफ योर बॉडी इज़ योर बोन्स. And now place a hand on your stomach and press gently. Does it feels hard or soft? It feels soft. So the soft part of our body is muscles. Now coming to this topic, bones. Bones is the hard part of our body. The human body has 206 bones in all. Hard part of our body is bones. 206 bones in all. The bones of a newborn baby are soft. As he or she grows, the bones become longer and stronger. So the child becomes taller and heavier. A newborn baby has about 300 bones. Insects like the earthworm has no bones at all. So what is bones? The hard part of our body. How many bones? 206 bones in an adult. And the newborn baby has 300 bones. Like insects have no bones at all. Now look at this picture. In this picture, now discuss about our body. Many cells, tissue, organ system combine together to form an organism, right? I have taught you. Our body contains both external and internal parts. The external part of our body is your eyes, ear, nose, mouth, tongue, eyebrow, knee, etc. Some parts of our body are small like fingers, and some part of our body is large like legs. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. The hard part is the bone and the soft part that you feel is the muscles. Now look at this picture. This is the picture of skeleton, right? All the bones in the body join together to form skeleton, right? All the bones join together, it forms skeleton. So skeleton form the framework, right? When all the bones, सारे bones join together to form skeleton. The skeleton gives shape and support to our body. Without skeleton, we are not able to stand straight or walk. बिना skeleton के हम straight और walk नहीं कर पाएंगे, right? The skeleton also protect the soft part and the inner part of our body. So skeleton protects the soft and hard part of our body. जॉइंट्स क्या होते हैं? जहाँ पे टू बोन्स मीट करते हैं उसे कहते हैं जॉइंट्स. वी हैव टू बेंड आवर बॉडी टू डू मैनी एक्टिविटीज़, राइट? हमें बहुत सारी काम को करने के लिए हमें बेंड होना पड़ता है. द प्लेस वेयर द 2 or more bones meet is called a joints. The place where the 2 bones meet is called a joint. The joints are the only part of our body where we can bend. There are about 360 joints in our body. Right? How many joints in our body? 360 joints in our body. I am going to repeat all the questions again which I have taught you, right? The hard part of our body is your bone. The soft part of our body is your muscles. How many bones are there in adults? 206. In newborn baby, 300. How many joints are there? 360 joints in our body, right? This is the picture of joints: knee, neck, elbow, wrist. Look at this picture. This is the picture of muscles. The muscles are the soft parts that covers the bones. Muscles are the soft part that covers the bone. It helps in movement. There are about 640 muscles in our body. How many muscles in our body? 640. The bones and muscles work together to help walk, run, play and do many activities. Some muscles are big while some are small. कुछ muscles जो होते हैं big होते हैं और कुछ muscles जो होते हैं small. The muscles in our leg and arms are big. जो muscles हमारे leg और arms में होते हैं big होते हैं, लेकिन जो हमारी eyes में होते हैं they are small. The skin covers and protect our bones and muscles. Skin covers and protect our bones and muscles. It is the largest sense organ of our body. So you know that the skin, it is the outermost covering of our body. It protects our bones and muscles. So it is the largest sense organ of our body. Understood? Look at this picture. This is the picture. The children are playing the games, right? The regular exercise and healthy body makes our muscles and bones strong. When you do a regular exercise and healthy food, तो आपके bones and muscles क्या होंगे? Strong होंगे. Swimming, jogging, cycling, skipping are the good exercise. So आप swimming करेंगे, cycling करने से good exercise, वो हमारी body के लिए अच्छा exercise होता है, right? Playing outdoor games, जब आप बाहर गेम खेलते हैं like badminton, basketball, footballs, these are the good for our muscles. Look at this picture. This is the picture of posture. Posture means the position in which we hold our body. Position का मतलब होता है जिसमें हम अपनी body को hold करते हैं while sitting, standing and walking is called posture. We should always keep a straight and upright posture. हमें अपनी body को हमेशा straight और upright रखना चाहिए, right? We should not stoop और बेंड आवर शोल्डर. हमें अपने बैंड शोल्डर वगैरह को बेंड नहीं करना चाहिए वाइल सिटिंग, स्टैंडिंग और वॉकिंग. अ गुड पोस्चर कीप आवर बॉडी हेल्दी. अच्छा पोर्शन जो है हमारी पोस्चर जो है हमारी बॉडी का वो अच्छा हेल्दी बनाता है. एंड इट ऑल्सो गिव अ प्रॉपर शेप टू आवर बॉडी. इट ऑल्सो गिव प्रॉपर शेप टू आवर बॉडी. सो व्हाट वी अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम दिस टॉपिक दैट वी शुड ऑलवेज कीप अ स्ट्रेट एंड अपराइट portion so that it gives a proper shape to our body. Now look at this picture. What is this picture shows? It shows that this is the picture of an organ. What? Organs. Some part of our body help us to do activities like breathing, digesting the food and thinking. So there are some parts of our body help us to do many activities like breathing, lungs help digesting the food, stomach help thinking, our brain help. These parts are called organs. The brain helps us to think. What is the function of brain? Brain helps us to think. It controls the action of other organs. It controls the action of other organ. And brain is a soft organ. It protects our skull. Skull जो होता है वो hard part होता है. So brain it covers. This skull is protected by the ब्रेन, राइट. हार्ट क्या होता है? हार्ट का फंक्शन क्या होता है? ये पंप करता है. इट पंप्स द ब्लड टू ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी. व्हाट इज़ द फंक्शन ऑफ लंग्स? लंग्स का क्या फंक्शन? इट हेल्प अस टू ब्रीथ. हमें सांस लेने में लंग्स हेल्प करता है. जब आप सुबह मॉर्निंग वॉक करने के लिए जाते हैं तो ऑक्सीजन क्या करते हैं? अंदर लेते हैं. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड क्या करते हैं? बाहर निकालते हैं. सो व्हाट इज़ द फंक्शन ऑफ आवर लंग्स? इट हेल्प अस टू ब्रीथ इन टेक ऑफ एयर and carbon dioxide outside. The stomach help in digesting the food. What is the function of stomach? Stomach help in digesting the food. जब भी आप फूड इनटेक करते हैं तो फंक्शन क्या होता है स्टमक का? वो डाइजेशन में हेल्प करता है, राइट. थैंक यू टू ऑल.